Hello guys, my name is Sam. I'm gonna teach you how to handle forms using PHP. Before that, we have a test form that I've already created. As I just want to show you how to handle the form. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to declare PHP tags. And then first we check if the request method is post. So the request method or the method is post. So we're going to use to say if s dollar from server request method should be if the request method if request method is equals to post, is equals to post. The next thing we do, we grab the form data, which is the name and the email. It's the name and the email. So name is equals to html special characters into bracket the method which is post, and then we grab the name from the file, from the form. So and then we cross. We do the same. Let's copy this to save on time. So this, we grab the email, this should be email. Then from there, do something called form validation. We can just do a simple check, which is whether the form is empty, what should be the response, whether the form or the fields have been filled, what's the response. So let's just put some comments and say form validation while empty, and or empty. So let's get forward. So we are going to say if into bracket the form is empty. If the form is empty, what should be the response, or what should we do? If the form is empty, is name. And then what should be the response if the form is empty? It's okay now. If the form is empty, should echo. Fields are required, else if all fields are filled, respond to should the form should say form submitted successfully, then we close. So let us run this. Let us run this by doing, let's run this. So that's how the form looks like. So when you key in your name and maybe email, so what you are going, the response you are going to get is the form has been submitted successfully. And if you put maybe one field, so all fields are required, so you can't submit. So that's how simply the form handling is done. Thank you for listening. Let's catch up on the next episode, where we are going to connect with the database itself, so that you see when you submit whether the credentials are going to be received or be submitted to the database or decoded to the database. Thank you. Let's catch up on the next episode. God, we